and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Good morning. Wednesday morning FOMC day. Are we getting a rate cut today? I know what we are getting. We're getting a haircut on our size until 245 minimum. Not going to be taking any unnecessary risks. We got 300,000 volume at 911. Nothing spectacular. You want to see 400,000 around this time, so it's kind of slow. Volume's a little bit low. ATR 5 point average true range on the 1 minute candles. Once again, nothing spectacular. Watching the Dow, watching NQ, ES, watching gold. Gold's got over 44,000 again. That's good. That's encouraging. 40.33 I got right now on gold. Perfect. Let's take a quick look, see what happened overnight. Start off with the 5 minute chart. Are you kidding me again? I just can't believe it. This is the third day in a row. It's the third day in a row that we're open above the previous day's high. Not above the close, opening above the high. That's crazy. We got a high at 26,232. We're currently at 263. We're 30 points above the high. We're about 15 points above VWAP. And we're 172, 272. We're almost 100 points above previous day's close. So what are we thinking? Are we thinking gap fill again on the open? Do we get below that? Where was the last push that was strong? We never got down. Remember the 26,000 I was talking to you guys about? We didn't get much of an opportunity to get a trade over there. Our last bounce of any significance was at the 6 a.m. mark, right off the previous day's high. If you look at it, it's 6 a.m. We bounced off it. Let's tighten it up, 6 a.m. And then here as well. So we can mark that line in, put that in. Where is the horizontal line? Horizontal line, we'll kind of mark it over there. That's 228. What do we have for the previous day's high? 232. So, I mean, you know, like I said, it's always a range. It's never an exact level. But if you look, we bounced, we pushed. We came down, we pushed. We came down, a higher low. We're pushing, so definitely 228. Maybe we'll see a revisit of the 228. We saw that yesterday. Actually, what did we see yesterday? Yeah, yesterday. We bounced off the previous day's high. We bounced off the previous day's high. We got down almost to the previous day's close because it was closer. It wasn't as far away from the previous day's high as it is today. Today we're quite far away. Actually, what are we? 172, 232. We're 60 points away. Yesterday was 20 points away. So let's just see if we can get down to the previous day's high at 232. That would be what I'm looking at. Let's get up Nightbot. Let's go change our messages at Nightbot. We're running the same messages for a very long time now. A little bit too long. Let's switch those up. Let's get, okay, StreamerBot's open, futures floor, Nightbot dashboard. I don't even know what messages we're running. Camera's going to go off for a second. Okay, we'll change this one. We'll change this one. I like that one. Really? Where's the one about my favorite book? There we go. Playbook. That's an important one. We're going to get that one going. Yeah, guys, hit the subscribe, hit the like buttons, smash those reactions. Yeah, I can't believe this is the third day in a row. So I think I'm going to be focusing, I don't want to have a bias, but I really think I'm going to be focusing on longs and on shorts. Shorts, because I think we're going down to, like I said, for the 15th time in the row, previous day's high. But longs, the markets are strong, so I think we have to focus a little bit on that. I'm going to trade my day traders account. I'm going to trade that at that's weird. I'm going to trade that at what time I'm going to trade that at? I'm going to trade that around the FOMC, around the 2 o'clock, 1:30, 2:30. I should be here in the evening. Let's see if this works. Hide marks on bars. Very good. So let's open that up. We got the area marked off. I'll keep an eye on that. Market's opening up in 12 minutes. Wow. It's just insane, the strength we're seeing. Omnius got his computer working. Oh, yeah, it's true. I don't have VWAP on this. VWAP 247. Where are we at? Two. Yeah, I'm thinking also VWAP, not only the previous day's high, but VWAP could also be the drawn price on the open. The interesting thing right now also is London lows and pre-market lows. Sparky bug off. I don't even have your thing. Didn't I already give you one? Yeah, okay, so I see a few reasons for a price to trade lower, but the problem is we're in such a strong bullish trend and FOMC day. So, like I said, lower my size. Let's get the sizing right. I don't want to do more than a 2 lot over there or a 1 lot on Bulenox. Bulenox, we're going to wait. We'll trade gold. We'll trade the NQ on the open. I'll be trading, who's this? NQ 1 minute. Do I want NQ 1 minute? Wow, look at the 30-minute chart. 24,000. We're up 10% almost. No, up 5% almost in like 4 days. That's crazy. And I'm very surprised at the weakness that I'm seeing on gold. 1 minute. Gold's open at 9, eh? We got a short on gold at 29. So I want to try and take a 1 lot at 30. 30.2 to 9. Where's the stop? It's at 32. Nah, I think we'll wait. I think we'll wait. If it was a little bit if it was a little bit later in the 2693 1/3 7/14/21. Should I make it a 2? Settings. Let's just see what 2 looks like. Yeah, I think 2 is a little bit better. Not really. Gold's oof. Oof. I don't like it. Volta is a little bit lower. I think I prefer that. 31. 29.7. I'll take a small little position here and we'll see what we can do for our first trade in the day. Just a small taste in gold. A little bit of a long here. My stop is at, I think, at 29.7, 8, 9. Order filled. Okay, first little trade in the books. We're just going to check that our copier is working. Interesting. See, it's a good thing we looked. Copier's not working. Not sure why. But now it should be working on all accounts. That was the first time I've ever seen that. But anyways, everything looks boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Everything looks good. Everything looks ready to go. Ah. Okay. Trend is higher today, that's obvious. But that doesn't mean we won't see some lower prices on the open. $139. The ATR is $139 on gold on the daily. That's pretty incredible. Curious, are we getting a bounce off the 50? The 100? 55? That's funny. Let's remove the pivots. I don't need the pivots on gold. Remove. Okay, there we go. So maybe we'll get a bounce on gold. Maybe. We broke the high of the previous day. Could be a catalyst for a little bit of higher price action. What are these marks here? Two minutes. Remove. 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 And remove. Good enough. Okay, let's get ready. 2 minutes. Omnius is live. Oh, my mic didn't pick that up. Market's strong again today. Gold over 4,000. That's cool. Okay. Good morning, Skeletor. How are you doing? Markets are strong. It's third day in a row we're opening above previous day's high. That's crazy. Crazy. But we're opening up about 20 points above VWAP, about 30 points above previous day's high. Previous day's high is right around 2 seconds, 1 second. Oh, big push. Previous day's high is right around the London lows, pre-market lows. Let's see, we got a bullish candle there. Can we get another push higher, or is everyone going to be grabbing their money again? Okay, let's watch and see. Same pattern every day. We're opening up. It's got to be tempting if you take a long overnight to want to take some profits. That's so funny. Let's see if we can get a bullish candle. We can get a bullish candle. I'll enter. There we go. We're long at 85. 2-minute opening range. What price can I get here? 76. That's an excellent entry. I'm going to take it. Where's the stop? It's at 71. Good entry. One lot. Come on. I didn't want a one lot on that. I got Kseftilad. I got Kseftilad. 85. What's our target? Our target is 92. Let's see if we can get up to 92.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Hitting the ground running.
Yeah, again. As I was saying to Skeletor, we're up over, what's that? We're up over the previous day's high. We're up over the previous day's close, but 3 days in a row up over the previous day's high. That's the story of the cover story. Previous day's high, opening up above previous day's high. Let's check your sound. Are you walking and talking?
Yeah, I'm doing a lot of things at one time.
It's working.
Screw the sounds. Give me a few minutes.
No, you're good. You're good. I just wanted to see that the sound bar was working. Sparky is hungry. You hear him? Sparky is hungry every 5 minutes. That's the problem. 85. Come on, we got to get to 92. It's not too much to ask. It is the high of the U.S. session. No, Sparky, don't touch it. 90, 91. Okay, we got to get to 93. I'm offering at 91. Why 93? Shit, we were there. I was too slow. You see, I should have had my offer in. Now I'm at break even at 82. Stop is at 71. Yeah, me too. Well, not a tick, but a point.
Whatever.
Yep. Whose fault is it? Sparky's fault. Bummer. Okay, let's just take a 2-lot here at 81. And let's see.
Thrown into the chaos, huh?
Let's just sit back, take our hands off the mouse, and see where we go. Let the market go where it goes. But I do have that green dash line, which is marking the previous day's high, and I do think that's a draw on price because there's so many things at that area. Like I said, pre-market low, London lows, and previous day's high. We bounced off it at 6 in the morning. I think you can see that. Hold on. Let's just compress the chart.
Only I can be sitting here for an hour and a half and still be late.
No, I was good today, actually. Oh, gotta get out. I was good today.
Getting out of shit. Fuck it. I was trying to do something and with AI, and it's pissing me off.
Mm.
What can you
Oh,
do?
did you see what I wrote about Atlas, the browser? It's only available for it's only available for Mac. It's not available for
That's what skillets were put.
oh, okay, I didn't see that.
I've been fighting with this nonstop for a fucking hour to make a damn 30-second video, and it's crazy. Whatever. It's a work in progress.
I know your frustration. I know your frustration. I think a lot of us go through it.
Other beaches are just mother beaching.
Some people don't, but a lot do. Well, we're signaling a potential reversal here on the 400 volume chart. I'm going to take a short if I can get a bearish candle. A little bit of selling might be coming in on the bearish candle that just formed right there. So I'm short at 71. Maybe not the most popular trade in the world right now, given the strength in the markets. But like I said, there is a draw at 28. So maybe we'll get lucky and it'll push price lower. What's the ES doing? ES is showing strength. There we go. Short at 74, 62. Fuck you, close. It's good enough. Good enough. Let's make the charts look the same on the 5-minute. 4:33. That's it right there. I'll put 3 o'clock at the same time. Wow, that was a little bit of a spike on the 5-minute on ES. I wonder if that was an error.
Coach Fred, good morning.
If that's a misprint. Hey, Coach Fred. Coach Fred, a new name for the prop drop game later.
Mm-hmm.
We'll add him in. MNQ coming down to the lows of the U.S. session. We got VWAP up at 51. That's about 10 points away. Such a shame I can't get a good VWAP up on can't get a good VWAP up on the Project X charts. It's an anchored VWAP. Missed the trade in gold. So yeah, I want to open up the chart on the 1-minute, but yeah, there you can see the bounce off the previous day's high, 228, that happened at 6 o'clock on the top right chart. 1-minute chart. Now let's open it up again. Okay, well, you guys know I watched the 400 volume, which is what I consider my ultra short term, and it just went long.
Okay, might have worked, might have not worked. Damn, did I come like a point from getting stopped out? Skeletor, good morning.
MYM.
Oh, I'm a chart at. Can I get it?
72. Let's try an MYM trade.
MYM.
Yeah, a little Dow trade. One lot. Small little trade.
Crazy volatility today.
Order filled. There we go. Very good.
Note to self. If we come a point away from your take profit on FOMC day, just exit the trade. Now, what can you do? Have fun with it, right?
Yeah. Keep your position size small on FOMC day. That's the advice. That's the advice for myself, at least.
Was a little bit bigger than I would have liked. Then again, we're not supposed to have this huge candle going up into this trade.
I don't
So,
want to be getting myself into any trouble. Especially right now. The Dow is running. ES is kind of undecided. And I'm really not sure about NQ.
yeah, and Q don't know what it wants to do.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, what can you do?
I got a small short for a one lot, which might stop me out. Excellent. Not too bad.
Fun day, FOMC day.
Hmm.
Would have went better if I wasn't fighting with trying to do that video for an hour.
Was it a pre-market like recap or something? Is that what you were working on?
God, it was supposed to be so easy.
It's always supposed to be easy. Nice move on the Dow. Dow's moving up nicely. Yes. Showing strength. Was there a trade for the 2 minute? Again, really close on the 2 minute opening range on that 3rd minute candle.
I'm expecting a very volatile sideways day.
Yeah. I've learned my lesson a few times on the days like this.
Mm-hmm. About to learn it again.
Yeah. Oh.
That's the great thing about life. It'll keep teaching us the same lessons over and over. We get plenty of opportunities to learn.
Well, I got another short here. I hope I don't get slapped in the face, but the fill is beautiful, so again, I can't complain. I'm getting in like 10 points better than the actual trigger, so
Mm-hmm.
I got a great profit if we just get down to 64. What am I short at? 73. 944. 1 minute to 945.
Yeah, we got news at 10:30.
Yeah.
FOMC at 2. I was trying to put all that into a video, nice and neat.
That always throws me off the FOMC. I'm always thinking it's at 1:30. I don't know why my brain does that.
Bucket. Ugh.
Well, for now, I don't have to go back farther than 4 o'clock yesterday. Looking at those lows at 159, I guess I see enough on the chart. We haven't taken out pre-market high or low yet. Surprising.
I had to go into my Ninja Trader again and change stuff around. Having
Okay.
issues yesterday. This one seemed to not be as much of a hassle, and it seemed to fix the issue.
Mm.
It's funny how I keep finding new things that you're supposed to try.
Mm.
It's like never ending. It's like, try it. It might be this. We don't know. It might be this. Shit, we don't know. Have you tried this? Have you
What a
tried painting
feature.
your Have you tried painting your house yellow? That might fix it.
Paint your toes.
Paint your toes pink. That might fix Ninja Trader. Shit, we don't know. Just try something. I did kind of write him a nasty message yesterday. Though I didn't look at my email. I don't know if they responded.
Yeah, I tried to get short on gold at 40.22. Didn't work. Out. Well, we're just going sideways here. We're already at a shitty 11-point ATR. You probably have about 13 points.
Yeah, about 13.
Mm.
I wonder I'm cold. It's freaking 55 degrees.
It's good to hear that you're cold.
Your wife came to Florida and brought the damn cold.
Yeah, she did. But you got to remember, for her, it wasn't cold. It's hot. $50 degrees for us. I think right now we'll take it. Okay, well, we got a really big put. Yesterday also was a tough day. Not a big range. And so far today, since 9:30, what are we working with? 40 points. 294 down to 253. 40-point range so far. And that's in the opening 17 minutes. Crazy. 40 points. That should be one candle, not 17 candles. Got up to 90 again. Got pushed lower. What's the all-time high?
Yep.
Did I mark it off?
Took one off. I'm still in the trade. Just holding this trade.
Good job.
I don't like messing with it, but I took one off because damn the volatility going in this. This is supposed to be like a small stop.
All-time high is around 308.
That's supposed to be a damn 40-point stop. Should have exited the trade. Whatever.
Yeah.
I was trying to put my picture in the short video and it doesn't quite fit the top of the screen. So it's like, what do you put next to it? I couldn't find anything, so just left it blank. Whatever. Trying that format. Been talking about it for a while. Hope to get a nice video out for FOMC, but fuck, what can you do, man? I tried.
A for effort.
How's that song go? I'm only human after all. Don't put the blame on me.
Okay,
well, disclaimer. For all cares and concerns, put the blame on futures floor.
Let's try a long if we get a long. What am I going to do? Am I going to go long at 85? It already got rejected there four times. 5 times, actually. I don't know if you guys can see. Can you see my cursor? Yeah, we got rejected at 85 at 2 in the morning, 8 in the morning, 9:30, 9:31, and 9:43. I don't think I'm going to take a long there. Everything seems to be Not only rangy, but very tight and rangy. So the Dow's making a bit of a run. Okay. Well, we got that
All
entry
right.
at 85, but I'm not taking it.
I'm in a trade. I'm not in a trade. What do I do? Oh, it's a glitch. Okay, I'm good. It's because I fuck with the orders. I told you, I said, don't mess with the orders. You wouldn't listen.
So your orders are working this morning? You're able to take trades?
Yeah.
Well, good.
I was in a 3 lot. I didn't like the 40-point drawdown, so I took one off, and that messed up the bot. The bot's like, what's going on? You said we were in 3. Now we're in 2. What happened? God. Oh, fine. Whatever. I don't care. Finally get out of the fucking trade. Now I'm back in it. Do it. Do whatever you want. I don't care.
You long or you short?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Fuck.
Hey, you can't, if you don't know if you're long or short, you can't complain.
I know. I'm long.
So you're doing good. Hey, we're at the fucking US session highs. You can't be losing.
Yeah, that's
Or
why I
you,
took long.
no, you said fuck. Okay, are you just cursing because you took a piece off?
No, I took the long at the high.
That was a long time ago. You're above it now.
No.
You'll get above it. Don't worry. We're getting over 26,300. I have a crystal ball.
Killing it. It's FOMC. I don't want it. I'm not risking all this on FOMC. Just get me the fuck out. Fuck you guys.
Well, we just broke over.
I'm still green, so fuck you guys. I'm going home.
We broke over pre-market highs by a fucking quarter point, and then we got sent lower.
Wait, I'm already at home.
You
Fine,
are,
I'll stay here.
There you go. Yeah. Besides, you don't want to go home. Traffic's gonna be a bitch.
Traffic be a bitch. Well, that was interesting.
Okay, well, the morning rush is over. Now we just sit back and we wait for decent setups. See what we get. Maybe look for an inside bar on the 5-minute. $15-minute opening range trade did trigger. No, it didn't. Not yet. Not on the 5-minute.
So yeah, my morning's been interesting. How's your morning been?
I'm down $21 across all Bulenox accounts and up 24 on my Apex.
It's like,
Yeah, nothing to take advantage of. We just went sideways. I just got, well, like I said, gotta hope something appears.
I liked it. I thought it was a good answer.
And the rest of the day.
All right, is it 10 o'clock? I got this
Not
shit
yet.
off.
9:56.
It don't matter. Hey, I still would have won.
Yep,
See, once
I told
again,
you.
if I'd have just trusted my strategy,
I told you we're going over 26,000.
would have won again. Once again, the issue was the trader. Always crying, oh, 40-point stop. You got diamond hands or not? Quit crying.
Okay, making new all-time highs.
But it was fun. It was interesting.
Making new all-time highs.
I'm not going to risk my accounts on a freaking 40, 50-point trade on a FOMC. Especially when it came all the way down. Missed my stop loss by a couple points.
Skeletor, you still around? We're going to be playing prop drop at some time after 10:30. It's only the beta. No prizes yet. Testing out the software, the game. But if you didn't see it yesterday, stick around. I'll let you know when we're going to play around.
That's right. Skeletor wasn't here yesterday, was he?
No, I don't think so. You missed the surprise. Still there. It's for the week. 3:15. Got a little bit of a move in the Dow.
I go to my clock. It says background. Then it says transparent. So that means transparent background, right?
That's what it should.
Change to transparent. It gets rid of the clock. Why would I want to get rid of the clock? Could switch to stream time just to mess with people. Okay, I guess. Yeah. I guess that one was meant to have a background. Could go to one without the background. That still has a background. Okay.
Today's the day you say it's all good.
That's all good.
It's all good.
It's all good.
9:59. 10 o'clock in 1 minute. I'm going to let 10 o'clock. Wow, I really didn't get much today. I'm looking. I mean, it was a crappy opening, very tight range, but two losers. Actually, you know what? If I mark off the 9:30, it's three losers, one winner. That's pretty shitty. So,
No. No. I think I forgot to tell you, but I decided I don't take losers anymore.
Yeah, that's it. No more. I wanted to get
No more losers.
gold.
That's a negative mindset.
It is.
Not interested in it. So from now on, there's no more losers. There's just, instead of losers, there's limits. Right? I got in the market because I saw an advantage over the market. Right? It's no longer there, so I got out. It's not a loser. It's saying, hey, I'm taking my chips off the table.
Blade of broken slot machines.
Like I always tell my kids, you find yourself in a fair fight, your strategy sucks.
Run.
Well, don't run, but your strategy sucks. How did you find yourself in a fair fight? When I was a kid, they used to say, fight fair. Why? If you want to win or not. Same thing with the market. You want to win or not? If you don't have an edge, get out. That's not a loser. That's saying, hey, I no longer have an edge. Taking the chips off the table.
Yep.
So I've decided that instead of losers, it's limits, right? I reach my limit, gone.
Like in poker, you don't have a solid hand, don't chase.
Same thing with the take profit and stop loss. Like, why is it a stop loss? So from now on, it's a stop limit. I reached my limit, I'm out. That's not a loser. It's simply saying that no longer have an edge. Why would I be in it? Losing trades when you don't follow your plan. That's a losing trade. Remember the crude oil at 1030? Man, this market is just to the freaking moon.
Mm. Yeah, very strong. Just going one way.
Marked out what would you call it? Thinking's easy until you try to think, and then it's hard. Measured move.
Yeah.
And we're even way past that. We're just there's nothing here. It's just to the freaking moon. Marked it out from this low to this high, but in a straight line.
That stink.
This low to this high, measured move. We're still past that, so we're just making a run for it.
I wouldn't be surprised to see a little pullback now that we just took out again the all-time highs. That's that green line on the chart. That was the previous all-time highs that was made at 4 in the morning.
We do have a lot of bullish news today.
Mm.
We have FOMC. They're planning on cutting 0.25%. So that's bullish for the market. Could already be priced in, but it's definitely bullish. We also have earnings for Microsoft, Meta, and Google. And of course, all three is going to freaking kill earnings.
Mm.
So the question is, are they already priced in? And I would say for Microsoft, maybe. For Google and Meta, I don't think so. I know they're to the freaking moon, but the PE ratio on both of those companies is still really low.
Anybody took a short at 320 or around there when they saw price rolling over? I can't take it. That's a counter trend trade, but
I'm just trying to breathe and be thankful that I survived the morning chaos. I don't think I've stopped since about 7:30 this morning. Well, actually, no, probably 6 o'clock this morning. Before 7:30 was the kids. And it went from chaos to more chaos to more chaos. How's everybody else doing? Anybody out there in futures land? Long, short, trades, no trades, being patient. FOMC, fuck FOMC, where you at?
That was a nice little sell-off after the break of the all-time highs, eh? What do we got there? 40 points already in one candle. No, that's a 5-minute chart there. Yeah, 2 candles. Second candle on the 5-minute chart. Open it up. We had a nice inside bar trade at 940. Called the move nice. Oh, it's true. What am I doing? Open up my strategy.
What you saying? Inside bar? What time frame?
5-minute, 940.
Oh, I see it. Yeah, it did. Good job for anybody that took that.
Getting a little bit of a delay on Ninja Trader now, almost like wealth charts. I wonder if they did some reprogramming. Now you click and then the order appears. It's not instantaneous like it used to be.
Don't get me started with Ninja Trader.
The competition with Tradeify looks fun, but I don't want to dedicate that much time into a competition. I think it's 4 weeks.
Yeah.
I don't want to throw 4 weeks into a competition. They're hard to win anyways. It's one thing to pass an account to get the target. It's another thing to beat somebody who got lucky with, you know, a bunch of positions everywhere and made tripled his account in 2 weeks. I find they're very much like all-in poker tournaments. It's pretty much like that. If you want to win, you have to go, you have to pretty much full port and trade well. You have to full port and catch a big move, be able to hold it.
I was forgot to tell you Monday, or maybe I did tell you Monday with the Ninja Trader. I think all the traders they had were negative.
Oh yeah, yeah, I remember you saying that. What's the news at 10:30? You know?
Crude oil.
Ah, that. No, I don't consider that any relevance to the markets. Actually, I mean, besides the crude, but
Sometimes it is, sometimes it's not. I mean, I wouldn't consider it like any of the other stuff. I mean, it's not FOMC. It's not any real major news.
I'm gonna look at it. I will consider it low impact as far as the markets are related. Not for crude. Crude's high impact. Don't get me wrong. Did you turn
Game
off?
over.
Game over. Did you turn off? What do they call them? Reactions? I don't see them.
I tried to in one of them. Was that maybe that's this video? I don't know.
Seems like it's off.
Oh, I guess so.
I can't react. I'm not reacting.
Not reacting. Not reacting. Yeah, I did try to turn it off in one of them. I don't know. I guess that's this one. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Well, right now, I don't have confidence in any of the entries. Not comfortable taking anything. This looks like a trappy market.
Mm-hmm.
You agree?
I don't know. I'm not looking at it.
Hmm. Let's see some selling. Boosh. Where's my push?
Push. Come on, push now. Do nice push for us, yes. Come on, push. Yeah, that was nice.
Really, I needed to go down.
To the moon. It's not that bad. Could have been better.
Mm.
My video. I was watching it.
Oh, I forgot to push on the screen.
Push. I ain't pushing. You push. I ain't doing it.
Hmm.
Strike. No pushes. What is this range?
Yep.
That's not that bad. That's 71. That's pretty nice.
Are you kidding?
What? What'd I miss?
70 points for the first 45 minutes. Volume is what? 500,000? It's lousy. That's a sleeper market. NQ can do much better. 70 points in the first 2 minutes. That's a good market to trade. I don't even want to look at what the ATR is on the 1 minute. Oh, it's over 10. It's about 13.
No, I think we're looking good. Go long?
We're along, yeah. Well, if we got a little bit of a pullback, and if we get another little push up, it will be along.
Might take the Renko. You on the Renko? What are you, 2040?
I am. No, this is the one that you see is just a 7. It's not an Inzerenko. It's just a Renko.
2010. Had it wrong. Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know. A lot of false signals on the 2010. I do think we're long, though. I do have the signal in the 2600 and the 1 minute. Let's buy it. Fuck it. Don't want to live forever, do you?
Nah. What are we at here? 85.99. Let's see if we can get to 26,306.
Good thing about the Renko is it gives you a tight stop, doesn't it?
It
So,
does. That's the thing. People don't realize that. They don't think about that. You can structure phenomenal trades. Yeah, especially and even better if you wait for it to trigger and then try to get a better price.
Fuck, I can take twice as many losses.
Let's go. 26,306. I'm hoping for it.
Look, in all seriousness, in trading, when you start thinking about how to improve your losses, you start doing a lot better.
Yo, okay. I thought you were going to say no. That's a good thing.
Yeah.
I was going to have an argument with you there.
I like my tight stops.
I thought you were going to say something like, when you start focusing on your losses, you know it's not going well. But no. You focus on keeping your losses small, you'll be surprised at how well you do.
I mean, I'll agree with that statement also. I mean, don't focus on your stops. Focus on your
but focus on structuring trades where you can have a tight loss, a small loss.
Do we get out on the reversal candle?
Chippa, I'm watching the 400 volume also. See if I can get a bullish candle. Right now it's kind of drifting, drifting lower while we're drifting higher. It's
you put a stop at the swing, or do you get out on the reversal candle?
No, I get out on a reversal candle.
Really?
I never got an entry candle yet.
Get out.
I am long, but there's no entry candle.
Like a 4-point stop.
Yeah, that's cool.
I mean, it would have been better if I wouldn't have got out, but I mean,
we'll see. We're holding here. This could be the candle.
So then what? If I get another green, I go again?
Not on the 2010. You're going to get a lot of signals on the 2010.
Oh, that's what you trade.
No, 2010. I use the band bounce.
I don't have the band. Looks like a band to me.
Yeah, no, I don't have a 2010 to even be able to show you.
No, we're going off of the.
You look at my chart. You look at my chart on my screen there.
Which one? What's that?
Bottom right.
Yeah, what is it?
That's a 7 Renko. It's not an Inza Renko. It's just standard Renko, 7 points.
I don't have that.
I
want to go with what I got.
Yeah. Well, I can put it up. I can look at it, the 2010. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, we had a band bounce right there at 290. So I would be waiting. My stop would have been at 278, 12 points on that one. It's larger with the band bounce. Trade off that. Now that one I used, the 2010 I used for longer moves. That's it, stopped out. I use it for longer moves to catch decent sized moves. Gold's kind of just
check audio or anything, did I? Terrible at this. Now hear me. What about you?
I think you're hearing me.
Beautiful. So beautiful. It's great. It's going to be so great. It's going to be the best. You're going to love it. It's going to be the best ever. So beautiful.
So beautiful. Maybe today's a good day to just wait till FOMC.
Today's a good day to do it. Whatever the hell you want. Just have fun with it. I got the signal. You're late. Oh, my goodness.
Well, look at that. You're getting in before me.
I'm trading your system.
Mm-hmm.
Ish.
Your
system-ish.
Your system-ish not working for me.
Do kind of wish. So I was supposed to be trading your signal on top of mine, but then I kind of ditched mine and went to yours. And I don't know. It's all chaos now. What can you do? My son was reading the text on the bottom of the chart yesterday. He's like, Dad, what
Mm.
does that say? I'm like, I'm not telling you. It's a secret. You got to read it. So he's reading it out loud.
It was funny. I don't remember what it said, but it was funny.
He thought it was hilarious.
Is it still there? Do I get to see it again?
Yeah, still there. Of course, his sister was sitting next to him, and she's like, "Chocolate covered what?" I'm like, "Nah, on to the next."
Nah, those lint chocolate balls. Lint, whatever it is.
Yeah, well, with kids, it's a little different. To the moon, let's go. You know, it's great. Even with all the setbacks, still a great morning.
Hmm.
Like it when you put things in place, right? So it's like, even if everything fails, you know what? I'm still right here. Not a big deal. Come on, to the moon. Let's go.
No big
Enough.
pushes though, eh? No big moves. Just slow and subtle.
That might be it for the morning. A lot of failures going on.
Mm.
Still believing in the lungs, but I don't know how many attempts I want to give it. Nope, still fighting it.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy. Okay, we'll take a bathroom break.
Mm-hmm. Still want to be in this long. Try again. Maybe not again. Looking for this pushback up. We do have a few gaps up above us. 2-minute chart. So thinking it wants to push back up into that area. Hard to find on this chart because it's a Fibonacci chart, but it's about from 304, something like that. Not exact. Just don't have enough coming into it to push it. We also do have the crude oil news in 1 minute. Take that there. Make back some of the losses. Be ready for the next. We do have that news in 1 minute. Would have stayed in, but I don't want to hold over the news. It's crude oil, so it may move the market. It may not. It is red folder. So respect the news. Take a break. Be back in a minute. Futures floor. Be back in a minute also.
look like I missed anything. Got a little bit of a zigzaggy price action here. Zigzaggy price action, but since we touched VWAP at 10.12, we've been drifting higher, right, Omnius? He says yes. He agrees.
All right. What we're looking at?
Right. I was just saying that we've been drifting higher since the VWAP kiss at 10.12.
Wait, who kissed who?
Price kissed VWAP. It's kind of slowly drifting higher. Gold since 10.10 has been drifting in a 4-point range, $4 range, 40.34, 40.30. NYM.
Sorry, good.
No, just saying Dow. Nothing spectacular going on in the Dow.
We did push up to the gap I marked out earlier. I don't think he was here. He's gone, but I was talking about, I think we're going to push up to the gap. Wasn't a trade. I was going to hold it, but we did have the news at 10:30, which didn't do anything. You called that. Still, it's a red folder news, and you got to respect the news, so I just got out the trade. I think I was up like 7-8 points or something. But we did a push up, testing the gap.
I guess I'll move my green line. I don't know. You know what? Maybe I'll just duplicate it. The old all-time high and the new all-time high. The old all-time high from 4 in the morning and the new all-time high, because I think that could also also keep a lid on the run. Send price lower.
I got two different comment feeds, but they have different comments. Shouldn't the comments be the same?
I would assume. Well, that's not a good draw. Live chat. Okay, there we go. Wow, look how much weaker ES is compared to NQ. NQ is above the 730 highs. ES is quite a bit below those 730 highs.
I don't even have ES up anymore. I used to.
Yeah, no, with this layout, I like it. I got the 5 minutes on the left side, so I get to just track it. I don't really make trading decisions off it, but I get to track it. Gold's making a little bit of a move lower now. 40.27. Not a lot of people trading gold anymore. It had some activity there for a while, but
Everybody likes it when it's pushing. Nobody likes it when it's dropping. Plus, I heard a few news people talking about people rotating out of gold.
Yeah, I think that's what happens when you make all-time highs. That's what people think. How many people did that with Bitcoin? It's at 7,000. It can't go any higher. Oh, it hit 20 grand. That's it. I'm getting out. I remember the peaks. There was one peak I remember at 20. I remember one peak at 60.
Screw Bitcoin. You quantum computers, Qubit. You know that company?
No.
Really?
No.
Would have thought better of you. Anyways, I bought into it and it went up like 50% or something. So I sold most of it. And I kept like 1 or 2 shares. And had a decent sized position.
I think you told me this story.
That 1 or 2 shares I still got, it's up like 3,000 something percent.
Wow.
It's life-changing money right there, man.
Mm-hmm.
What can you do? For every one story like that, there's 500 that you should have took the profit.
Yeah.
So you just have to set your game plan and go with it. Everybody else will say, oh, I'm up 3,000%. Yeah, but how many times you lost your ass when you could have just taken profit?
Hmm.
So it's up to us to just choose a plan, choose what we like, and go with it. We don't have to be right every time. We just have to be consistent. I was looking at well, at least one of my portfolios, and
one of my portfolios. How can you have multiple portfolios? Isn't a portfolio your portfolio?
no,
You segment them. They're segmented.
yeah, whatever that means, but yeah.
Well, you know, like a portfolio in tech stocks, a portfolio in I don't know, consumer goods, a portfolio in banking stocks.
No.
But then you still have one global portfolio.
Yes. You also have your personal accounts, you have your IRAs, you have your 401s, you have your rollovers. You feeling it? They're all separate portfolios.
Yeah. Okay. Continue. I'm just busting your balls.
Anyways, even in that portfolio, I've taken a lot of profits and got a lot of money on the sideline, and I've still beaten the S&P. So I've taken a lot of risk off the table. Had a lot of good trades, had a lot of bad trades. And I'm still killing the S&P.
What do you do? What's your swing trade on that? Time frame, 3 months, 4 months, 1 week? What's your
between swing trade and invest.
Yeah.
So look, I want to buy a company. Give me a good price, I'll buy it. Want to buy it at a good price and sell it at a premium, right? It's the same with everything else. You want to buy at a discount, sell at a premium. If you went to the store and you were looking at Nikes and they said, oh, 1 day only, Nikes 90% off. You'd buy a whole bunch of them and go sell them tomorrow, right?
I have a stand on the corner.
Especially if you knew that people were going to buy them tomorrow for $200 and you could buy them for $20 right now, right? You'd be buying a whole bunch of them. Shit, tomorrow I'm turning around and sell these for $200. So why not, right? It's the same thing with stocks. If it's at a great discount, if it's at a great price, buy it. If it's super overbought, sell it. If you bought a $200 pair of Nikes and somebody came up to you and said, Dang, futures floor. I really like those Nikes. I'll give you $2,000 for them right now.
Oh, I'll tell him you're crazy. They're not worth it. Have you lost your mind?
You'd take them off your feet and say, here you go, good sir.
That's right. I would walk home barefoot.
All this stuff's so basic, man. It really is. It's
Then
the
when I got home,
same thing with stocks, man.
then when I got home, my wife would say, "What happened to your shoes?" And I would say, "They got stolen." And then she would say, "What's that in your pocket?" I go, "Nothing." Why is your pocket bulging? No, that's nothing. That's not money.
My wife would say, what's that in your pocket and why is it in all ones?
Mm.
I say, it's none of your business why it's there, and you know damn well why it's all in ones.
ES is dropping.
Then she'd say, we're going tonight or tomorrow?
ES is dropping.
No, same with stocks, man. You buy at a discount, you sell at a premium. So that's a bit harder to figure out with day trading, isn't it?
Yeah.
A lot easier with the long term because you can look at the technicals, you can look at the fundamentals. We don't really get all that in day trading. But we get some clues, right? We get the VWAP. Tells us the average price. We get the moving average.
Yeah, also volume profile.
We get volume profile.
People think the market is fairly priced.
So we do get clues.
At the moment, I don't think initial balance does any of that. I'm not a believer in that one.
Initial balance?
Yeah, a lot of people put, I think it's just a 1 hour trading range and that's it. It's just something to trade off of. If you can frame a trade, structure a trade intelligently off it, so be it. But
so yeah, I disagree with you. And I feel like if I showed you why, I feel like you would change your mind. So we all know that I use the bot, right? And the bot draws the lines. So one of the trades is at the morning. If I just turn on that one trade that draws the opening lines for the New York Open,
okay,
and I zoom out as far as I can on that chart, just go back, you'd be amazed at how often the market comes back to that same spot and how it reacts. And you really could just form a trading strategy just around that. Just, hey, we're going to come back to this spot and then we're going to react. So, I don't know. I think that's I know a lot of people don't draw it, but if you just drew a line right at New York Open, and you go back and see how the market reacts there.
Coming up to VWAP, 266. We're 10 points above it.
Never put it back on my chart. Do I want it? I don't even know. What would life be like if I didn't have VWAP? Some people say they refuse to put on the chart anymore.
Yeah, okay.
Some people say they do a lot better without VWAP.
I got my ass kicked with VWAP, making trading decisions off it.
Nah, never do.
I don't use it for that anymore. But I will use it to avoid a trade. But I will not trade off it.
So all I use it for, because a lot of people use it to make decisions. So when it gets there, it's just a self-fulfilling prophecy. I don't want my trades to be in between my trade and VWAP. Life's a lot easier when you're not fighting.
Getting a little bit of a bounce off ES over here. have, I don't know, can we call that relative equal lows? Yeah, I can call that relative equal lows. Before 9 o'clock at like just a little under 636, and then around 9:30. Sorry, 9:36, 9:38, and now we're at 9:38.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm looking at the pushes here. Haven't had really anything since the open. A 1-bar push, a 1-bar push, a 1-bar push, that's lousy. Then a 5-bar push. 1, 2, 2. They're all very small.
He said
Just
2-2.
2, 2. Nothing to write home about. I'm a little bit of ways from a trade there. Skeletor, are you around? Getting a push.
Coming down to test these lows.
Maybe we'll wait.
Man, if you was an ICT guy and you took that trade off of that gap right there.
What time? What time frame? 1 minute? 5 minute?
Probably 1 minute, 2 minute. You can do 5. No, 1 minute or 2 minute. I called that earlier. Not my type of trade though.
Trading below VWAP. We just broke the 15-minute low, the 1 hour low. We do have, remember, at 232 previous day's high, pre-market session lows, and London lows. So London lows, pre-market session lows, and previous day's high, all around that level. But wow, that's a nice wick on the 1 minute.
That's what she said.
On the 1 minute, yeah, it was a nice one. That was a nice 1 minute wick. Push back up to VWAP.
So that's why I trade the 2 minute.
Yeah, you know what? I'm curious. Oh, I'm looking at the 5 minute, that wick. Sorry, it's not the 1 minute. It's the 5 minute that's that put that in. I forgot that was a 5 minute chart.
I was trying to think about that long, but it happened so fast, didn't it? Dang. I'm down. We get a pullback?
The 400 got above 400 volume. Do I want to try a trade here? Let's see. We get a bounce. We get a candle. I'll allow a long. That's the bullish candle.
FOMC day.
Yeah. I think it's been like this quite a few times, eh? Well, we're gonna bounce off. We're gonna bounce off VWAP. I mean, NQ is quite a bit stronger, and ES looks like it's making an attempt to move higher.
Yeah, it's weird not having VWAP.
Huh.
I hear you talk about it. I'm like, where the heck is VWAP?
Yeah. Can we get up to 85? Is that too much to ask?
Do whatever you want. You want to get up to 85?
Before we get up to 85, we got to break the high of the previous candle in the 1 minute chart. We're trying. There's two of them there. We wicked it. We ticked it and heading lower. That doesn't look good. Oh yeah, no.
What's for dinner?
Huh? For dinner. Huh? Hey, what's for dinner?
I haven't eaten in 3 days.
I don't want to think what's for dinner today. Today's cannelloni day, I think.
Yeah,
man. Sure. Eh? Yeah.
Starving.
Go for a rubber burger.
God, no.
No?
I bet that would taste like ass after not eating for 3 days.
No, and you don't eat and everything tastes good. Doesn't matter what you eat. Even broccoli would be good.
I like broccoli.
What a pecker. Yeah, that's what I said. Even that would be good.
Everyone, futures floor is live. At least I get your notifications about being live.
On the Discord. No, I am just unable to make money. It just doesn't go anywhere. When it doesn't go anywhere, you can't make money. And then somehow it spurts, and it always spurts in the wrong direction, which is not a surprise because I'm a continuation trader, and when it's a very rangy day, I'm kind of getting in late.
Late to the party?
Yeah, pretty much. We're a tiny bit below VWAP. I don't know. It kind of looks like we're going to head higher. Still does. I think they might just do a little bit of a fake out, but I think the next move is up. ES2 looks like it kind of wants to go up. They're just going to go down 30 points first to shake me out before they go up.
You long?
I'm long at 263.25.
You had your trade?
No, it's on the Apex on Ninja Trader on my laptop. You see, look how I'm looking. I'm looking down. When it's on my main screen, I'm looking at the ceiling. I'm looking down, it's on my laptop.
I don't care if you show your trades or not. I worry about my own trades.
Okay, out. They got me out. I don't believe that's the move, but They got me out.
Still hungry. You never told me what's for dinner.
Here, cannoli. No, cannelloni.
I don't eat stuff I can't pronounce. What's
Pasta.
up?
Can you pronounce that? Tortellinis. I don't know, like little
Pasta.
raviolis. Pasta, little raviolis with meat inside. It's new.
Not called
Never bought it.
lasagna or something?
Nah, they're like little raviolis, little, small little things, the size of seashells with some
Gotcha.
stuffed meat.
Yeah, yeah.
But
What's
it's
cool?
new. They used to have one at Costco. It was like a pork and beef mix. Wasn't too fond of that one, but now they have one that's all beef. I'm curious to try it, so we'll try it today.
You're looking
Easy
for a
to
long
make.
based on the 15-minute chart.
I told you they'd take me out
Mm-hmm.
and then head higher. Peckers.
I like the 15-minute chart, but it's hard to get a trade off of it because it just takes you out so many times.
Yeah. Markets are playing me like a fiddle today.
Uh-huh. So if they're going to play you like a fiddle, you know what you do? You choose the song.
Yeah, and the song should be Sim. Yeah,
Probably
I'm trading
sounds
small.
something like The Devil Went Down to Georgia.
Mm. I'm trading small and I'm spinning my wheels. Little up, little down, little up, little down, little up, little down.
NQ went to Canada looking for a soul to steal.
Psst. Canada is a great country. Politicians ruined it.
Yeah, I think all the countries are like that. They all
You
start
just doing it to me
good
every
intentions. Then all the corruption just gets worse and worse and worse and worse and
Yeah.
worse.
Now you're gonna make me get out, eh?
Don't worry about it. You know who Klaus Schwab is?
Yep. Not a fan of his.
He said
I don't
it
buy
won't
his
be
hockey
long.
cards.
He said it won't be long and you'll have nothing.
Ah,
You'll like
yeah, and you'll be happy.
be happy. You're gonna have nothing and you're gonna be happy.
Hey, Klaus, how about you have nothing? Give me everything you have. And how about you be happy with nothing?
Nothing
is that
better
a-
than
Is that a good deal?
super billionaires controlling the world, telling you you're going to
Yeah.
have nothing and be happy about it.
Like, that's my
You're gonna-
question. That's my question to Klaus. I have a question for you, Klaus. Are you also gonna have nothing? You know, is it just us that has to have nothing, or you also? Are you in on it?
No, he's going to have a lot. You're going to have nothing. You're going to sit down. You're going to be quiet. You're going to have nothing, and you're going to be happy about it.
That's a real "you're a peasant" attitude. No, that's
just
what
like-
it is. You're
I
a
just
bunch
like
of
when that guy
peasants.
gave interviews, and it reminded me of like the Emperor off of Star Wars
Yeah,
with like a German accent. Like,
yeah, he's a real character.
I don't know who the new guy is. I think he
Oh,
stepped
there's a new
down.
guy.
Yeah, new guy now.
Yeah, all these really old people. I don't know what they care about. You're gonna be dead soon. What do you care about what happens? Bill Gates, Soros, Klaus Schwab. Enjoy your life, you know? Get an island.
What are you
You
talking
know,
about? Get an island? They own a bunch of them.
There
They
you
own all the
go.
islands.
And retire over there. Enjoy the sunshine. Put your feet up. Get a foot massage. Have someone bring you drinks and food. And
Bill Gates
Yeah.
is one of the largest landowners in the U.S. Many
yeah.
other countries too. He owns a bunch of islands too.
I guess you have all that money. You want to play Monopoly with the world. You got nothing else to do, and
It's all about the power.
they have the power ready. Now it's just, I think it's boredom. Like, seriously, I don't know what the hell you care when you're that age.
You remember that movie Trading Places
Yes.
with the
Who
The rich
doesn't remember
guys
that? Yeah.
betting
Gene
a
Hackman.
dollar?
Gene Hackman.
I always feel like it's still like that. They're controlling people's lives, and they're like, "Ah, I won. You owe me $1." Like, wait, you did all that and destroyed all these people's lives, and for $1? Oh, don't forget, you will eat the bugs also.
Hmm.
You will have nothing, and you will eat the bugs.
And you'll eat bugs. Yeah, I'll have a bug steak, medium rare.
I haven't been on their site in a while. I'll have to go see what the new stuff is.
What, Chip? We were just talking about you. I don't remember what we were saying, though. What were we saying? It was before Klaus. It was before Klaus
How much
Schwab.
wood could a wood chip chip?
No.
If a wood chip could chip?
No, we were saying so. I don't think we were talking about the 11:30 move. Maybe the 11:30 move. But let's trade straight down. Well, I'm short. I got a small short trade, but I'll be getting out at 250 if we get there. 256, 55, 54.
Still looking for the bulls.
Hold it. Okay, I'll hold one. I'll hold one.
It's a nice nice bearish engulfing candle on the hourly. Okay. I can be convinced.
What chip? Shit, I hate having a memory that doesn't remember. Yeah, we were just talking about you, man. I was just saying something.
Something about you was going to drive to his house and give him a hug?
Too far. 7 fucking days.
7 days for what?
To drive to his house. He's on the West Coast. Yeah. He's a Mr. West Coast.
Well, look at it this way. When you drive there, you'll get 2 hours back, or 3 hours. You take however long it'll take you, and then you subtract 3 hours.
He's southwest, and I'm northeast. So he's bottom left corner, and I'm top right.
He's bottom left. I'm bottom right, and you're top right.
Right? Hey?
Hey?
Hey? Shit!
Look, on your game, hey, while wood chips here, we should go ahead and play the game. On your game, you got to put the word A.
Hey? Kind of northwest. You're not northwest.
Saying he's in the middle.
There is no middle with California. It doesn't matter. California is down in the bottom.
What are you talking about? Pretty sure it takes up the
California. Californication. That was a good show. With David Duchovny.
Eh?
Hey? Okay, we're forming a little wedge here. At least on the Central Coast is San Luis Obispo. Sounds fancy. Skeletor, where are you?
He's
Come
doing
on, let's get a push lower.
things.
Worked so hard on it. I mean, he'll get to see it eventually, but... I got a good one for next week, too. Little Pecker below Santa Cruz. Yeah, I'll take a look on a map. I really don't know what California looks like on a map. That whole West Coast thing. Well, even for Canada, I don't know. I don't even know what Vancouver looks like. British Columbia, that whole side of the world. Okay. Tiny little bit. Not a lot. Tiny little bit. I'm getting a headache.
Where are we going? Wood chip still calling down, huh? Bears in control.
We're below VWAP, so I could think that, but I don't like what ES and the Dow are doing. They're pushing higher.
15 minutes still bullish.
They're pushing higher, yeah. It's a hard
We
call.
gotta break some support first. I gotta get below the 26,243, and then we have the 5-minute moving average.
Don't
At
forget the 11:30
235.
move.
So
Let's see. If we can get up to 63, 64, I'll get
then we
back
got
in my short.
support at 230.
I'm sorry, wood chip, I didn't hang on to my short. I got out of it, but you know what? Like I said, if I can get 63, I'll get back in it.
You lost your shorts.
I lost my shorts, yeah. There, I'm offering at 63.50.
What are you doing? Flicking a lighter?
No way.
Sounds like you're flicking a lighter.
I heard a funny joke. Stand-up comedian said, "You mean to tell me territories were drawn from east to west? When you look at the map, it would seem the opposite." Guy sits down and starts drawing. I hope there's a second part to that joke, because I don't get it. Oh, wait. Okay, here's California, Oregon, Washington. Oregon. Is that how you guys say it? Or
I
Oregon?
don't know, but I didn't get the joke either.
Oregon. I didn't get filled. As you move to the right, the states get way smaller. Shit, I didn't get filled. Oh well.
Pretty sure if I remember correctly, all the states on the left were kind of after the fact.
Yeah. I know Texas is really big. I guess California is big because when it comes time to an election, there's so many seats that or electoral votes or whatever you guys call it. It was funny the way he said it. Yeah, it lost its punch when you have to write it out. Nice move down. I'm surprised. I didn't think it was going to happen.
Wood chip called it. He told you.
I didn't think it was going to happen. You should have held, Mike. Yeah, that was only one lot. I tried to get back in at 63. Didn't happen. But I did it for you because I knew if I don't get filled, it's going to work out for you. It was like a win-win.
He told you to do it.
Oh, nice chart there. What is that? That's your 2010?
Talking to me?
Yeah,
Yeah, that one.
I like those colors. Red and yellow. Okay, so put a 50-period moving average, EMA, on the high and a 50-period moving average on the low. And when you're below the
EMA.
bands, huh?
Got an EMA. What's that? 2040, I think.
Doesn't matter whether you got one. I said make a 50 on the high and a 50 on the low, and you'll make a band. And then when you tap into the
What do you
band,
want? 50 on the high?
50 on the high, 50 on the low. Swift. Taylor.
Let's see how it does it. Maybe I need to enable the other part. Try again. There you go. You got your band. It's about the same.
You got a 50 high and a 50. There you go. There's, and that's my point. When you tap into the band from below and then you start heading lower, straight to hell, that's when you get in. And if you get a full bar above, then that's your stop out. That's a good look in 2010. Does mine look that pretty? Yeah. I'm going to do what you did. What is that? Green? Oh, it's gone. Why did yours not look like mine? Mine looks better than yours. That's why.
Maybe you just think yours looks better than mine.
Properties. Chart background. That's what she said. Right
there?
Yeah, but that's not what I use. You want to know what I use? Go find the MA envelopes.
That's what I got.
No, MA envelopes. It's called
No, I
MA
got the MA
envelopes.
cross builder.
You're just doing, yeah, just go to the indicator MA envelopes and
No, I don't want to.
we'll just
You
put it
do
up, put it up
No.
extra.
No. Taking my profit. Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Screw you, beaches.
I'm going to use yellow. I like the color yellow. Where's yellow?
Yeah,
Why wouldn't they
28.
put the colors in
Did I tell you my
alphabetical
profit
order?
was?
I don't know. I'm not listening. You don't listen to me.
I wish it would
listen to
just
you.
put on here like how many points you get. I feel like that'd be a lot easier. 11,
Yeah, that would be fun.
10, 10
So
and a
what
half.
colors did you have? Your red looked really nice. I don't get a good red on my monitor for some reason. None of my monitors show a good red. Stopped for $28 profit. What chip? Can I make a recommendation?
Don't eat the yellow snow.
Don't eat the yellow snow. Trailing stops. I don't think they're anybody's friend. I think we give back way too much with trailing stops. I think it's better to have a target, maybe a very generous target, but I don't know. I just, when I back test and I run trailing stops, it's just nightmarish what it does to the performance.
Yeah. I've never seen a single strategy that I've tested that improved with a trailing stop.
Especially NQ.
But we trade different. Like if you're going for the long move and
Yeah,
like
well, then you got to have. I think what's better is a reason to exit than just a trailing stop, like 10 points off the low water mark or the high water mark, just something arbitrary. Like let me say VWAP. You get 2 candles above VWAP, fully above VWAP. You enter and you exit when you get 2 candles below VWAP.
yeah.
You don't trail it by 10 points because you're always just going to get snapped out. I used auto trailing when I wanted to work for someone for 3 years. I could look at charts and did way better than staring at the chart. Exactly, I would say what Omnius said. I guess it depends on how you're doing it, but I never had success with it. When I was running back tests, 40-point trailing, yeah, okay, that's large. I run much tighter stops, much tighter trails. It was just always taking it. And I'm saying, really? Are you kidding me? I was doing much better if I just put a 10 or 20-point target and just took it. Yeah. Okay, so that's 1-to-1. 40-point trail.
I feel like people that go for the large targets, they like the trailing stop.
Mm. Yeah, I didn't phrase my sentence correctly. I think the correct sentence is if you make it tight-ish, you're going to be given back a lot. But if you keep it wide as protection, that's a different story. 3-to-1, nice. That's another key ingredient, having a good risk profile, a large take profit compared to your stop loss. It's one of my weaknesses. I don't do that well. The 2010 is much more stable now, eh? If you notice, Omnius wide and assume the risk with stop target at logical level trailing is not bad.
What?
The 2010, much easier to trade now. It's a lot more stable. What's the volatility? Yeah, I would use the 2010 when the ATR is around 10, when it's low. Other than that, it's more difficult to trade. Are you trading? Are you going to be online, on screen, whatever? Anybody for FOMC? Omnius, what chip? Skeletor, Bama, Coach Fred. I think I'm going to stream about the full part and eval. On FOMC or now?
Gotta be FOMC.
I guess no. I guess now. He said no. He's not here for FOMC. I have to work. Pretty soon. I guess to the downside. That's what I would think.
Do you think I'm gonna be?
Yeah,
Probably gonna
11:30.
stream FOMC. Yeah. Generally like to. I don't know. I might do it different today. I don't know. Talk about it later.
Well, what time do you go pick up your kids? I forgot. 2:30?
Yeah.
I wasn't sure if it was 2:33, 3:30.
I don't know.
Target 26,222. I can see that. I think I have that marked off on the charts. That's previous day's high, approximately. You can see it on the 1 minute chart, 228. But we also have the London session lows, 226, 229, 232. There's so many levels at that area there. I'm surprised that you went below it. Oh, okay, I see what you're seeing. You're seeing the, yeah, okay. You're seeing the earlier, the midnight area. Hey, that was cool. Little commercial.
Setting up some of my effects and stuff.
It's midnight. Flash. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at there. I see it. I see it on the 5 minute. Can I compress this one right here? Where is midnight? Right there. Right there. Yeah, there's a lot of levels in that area within 8 points. Is that 1, 2? There's 3 or 4 of them. So yeah, I can definitely see that being a draw on price.
What are you talking about?
The 220, 222, 226, 228, 230. They're all there's a whole bunch of levels at that that area there. Like I said, it's the previous day's high is there. Overnight lows is there, pre-market lows is there, the midnight low that Woodchip is talking about is there. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 if you snap a line at midnight open. 12:30 you'll see it's been dancing but hasn't swept yet. Yep. What do you mean by midnight open and 12:30?
Even GC is very tight today.
Yeah, it is. I tried trading it. Shouldn't you just put a line at midnight instead of a line at midnight and
Yeah, a lot of supports here. We haven't really broken any structure. So.
No.
Still kind of bullish till we see some of these major supports getting broken.
That's funny. I got the midnight open at 243 Woodchip. Okay, yeah, 244. Yeah, 244 and 222. But we did sweep it at 6 in the morning. We did touch it. It's building liquidity. Yeah, I don't know how that concept works. I don't know if it matters if you trade through it.
What'd y'all do to gold?
Doesn't
Went
it
down
become
11%.
Yeah, I know. Doesn't it become invalidated, the fact that 6 o'clock traded through it?
I heard people talking about gold dropping. I didn't realize it dropped that far.
But it's a definite level. I mean, if I compress the 5-minute chart even further to get the high, to include the high from yesterday, let's put in a line right there. This is the high from yesterday. So look at how many times we're resistance over here, and then support, 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 support. So yeah, I can see it as building liquidity, definitely.
First real pullback we've seen in gold in a while. Since back in April. Well, some smaller ones, but nothing really major.
Okay, we play a game.
Yeah, play.
You see what I did overnight? Made a few cosmetic changes. Turning on your, well, I don't think you need to turn on your volume. You heard it all.
You guys are in the right
Wish there was
place
a
at
way
the
that
right
I could,
time because this week's live stream
display it
and
on my
Prop
screen.
Drop 500 Beta is proudly sponsored by
They'd like,
Skeletor's Chocolate Salty Balls, the official snack of blown accounts
website or
everywhere.
something, pull it
These
in or-
chocolate salty balls are hand-rolled, high-risk snacks for traders who like it dark. Dipped in premium cocoa and perfectly seasoned with the salt of your tears, Skeletor's chocolate salty balls are best enjoyed
Yeah, what if
after
I
you
put it
get
up over
stopped
here?
out. So pop
Hold
one
on, I
in your
can do
mouth
that.
and remember, the
Give me a sec.
market may take your money,
Be a
but it
delay.
can't take your balls.
Let's try it. Be worth trying.
Okay, we're all good. We got Coach Fred in. We got Woodchip, Bama, Omnius,
Give me a
Futures.
sec. You out of there?
Oh, it's true. I even built a last 10 winners list. Top right. So it records the winners now. I don't have to write it down.
There we go. That'll work.
So it's only a beta, guys. There's no prizes yet. I'm working on the prizes. I'm working on getting prizes.
See my stream?
I do. Wow, good job.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Yeah, perfect.
Might be a small delay. Yeah.
Yeah, you can see who win.
Who we got in there?
Everybody. Bama, Futures, Joker, Coach Fred, Woodchip, Skeletor, Omnius, and Butters. And it's fixed. Futures is the only one below support. Bama's below support. Futures, Omnius, Butters, Coach Fred consolidating in the top right. Bama working his way under overnight lows. Skeletor's giving himself a headache. Bama's going into the pit. Start over. Bama moves back up to the top. Woodchip slowly working his way down. Is Woodchip going to get below the overnight lows? Coach Fred will give him a little bump back up. Coach Fred pushed him out of the way. Coach Fred, I got bent. Oh, Coach Fred doesn't make it into the pit. Coach Fred makes it into the pit. Start over.
Stop loss?
Stop loss, that's it. Now next, Joker. Joker's up. Oh, Bama, right into the pit. Direct move into the pit. Butters, Joker, Woodchip, Futures, under support. Joker is looking dangerous. Joker takes it again, 2 days in a row. Yeah, are we trading lower? 2 days in a row. Joker takes it. Okay.
So it's rigged.
Did you see my list? My little, it's got a little list there, top corner now.
No, I don't see it.
Yeah, well, look, it's still there. It marks the winners
I'm
now.
looking. Okay, I see it now.
Yeah, it marks the winners.
Oh, sweet.
Guys,
Yeah.
let's give it up for our lucky winner of
Still
today's
rigged, though.
Prop Drop 500 beta. And to the rest of you sore
And who's the
losers,
sponsor?
better luck next drop. Today's chaos was proudly brought to you by Skeletor's Chocolate
gonna tell us the
Salty
sponsor?
Balls. Fun,
It
the
is.
only snack that pairs perfectly with blown
You're supposed to
accounts
say
and
it.
broken
It's
dreams.
saying it right there.
And remember,
It's talking
tomorrow's
right now. You don't have
madness
the volume
starts
on.
sometime after
can't have volume
10:30 a.m. Don't miss it.
Well, there you go. There was a whole audio ending. You just missed it. Skeletor, you're back. Did you see the
Well-
beginning? He's here. I've been waiting. We're playing one more game. Skeletor's here. Okay,
All right, I'll turn the volume on this time.
turn the volume on. We're starting from scratch. We're supposed to do it twice a day anyways.
You guys are in the right place at the right time because this week's live stream and Prop Drop 500 beta is proudly
Skeletor wins
sponsored
again.
by
It's definitely
Skeletor's
rigged.
Chocolate Salty Balls, the official snack of blown accounts everywhere. These chocolate salty balls are hand-rolled, high-risk snacks for traders who like it dark. Dipped in premium cocoa and perfectly seasoned with the salt of your tears, Skeletor's Chocolate Salty Balls are best enjoyed after you get stopped out. So pop one in your mouth and remember, the market may take your money, but it can't take your balls.
Okay, we got a win from who? We got Joker, who got a win, and we have a wood chip win. But the wood chip win was on a test run last night. Wood chip, Coach Fred, everybody consolidating above support. Coach Fred got below support, but went back above support. Omnius below overnight lows. Omnius is posing a threat here in a good area. He runs right back up. That was a V bottom for Omnius. Wood chip working his way lower. That
Told
was
you it was rigged.
that was a V bottom. Let's see if wood chip can get away from the pit. Nah, wood chip stopped out. Omnius is back, threatening. It's true, you get to see it late. You have to turn me off. Bama, Skeletor, below support. Joker below support. Coach Fred below support. Slowly working their way lower.
Come on.
Bama's going into the pit. Skeletor might make it across. If he makes it across, he gets a nice bounce. Skeletor might get the move he needs.
Oh my goodness.
He might get the move he needs. Skeletor, sorry, we tried.
Mute this guy.
All we got is Joker now below support.
Yes, you're needed.
Yeah, the rest of you are consolidating above support. Joker's making a move for take profit. Joker's futures floor. I deserve a win. I haven't gotten a win in a long time. Finally, I'm below support.
Keep skipping.
We got a bunch of us below support. Butters, Omnius, futures floor, Bama. Bama gave me a nudge, knocked me lower. Bama, start over. Good for you. Let's go, futures. Make it through the hole. There we go. I thread the needle. Oh, I'm looking good. There we go. I got a win. I knew it. I called it. Okay, you have your volume on?
Guys,
I don't think
let's
you
give
or
it
I
up
have
for
one.
our
Turn your
lucky
volume on
winner
for the
of today's
close.
Prop Drop 500 beta. And to the rest of you sore losers, better luck next drop. Today's chaos was proudly brought to you by Skeletor's Chocolate Salty Balls. Fun, the only snack that pairs
you won.
perfectly
Nice
with
rig.
blown accounts and broken dreams. And remember, tomorrow's madness starts sometime after 10:30 a.m.
I got it.
Don't miss it.
There we go. Let's get back to trading. That was fun. Okay, so on our list, I can see it. Futures, Joker, and wood chip now. Last 10 winners. Close. We're done. Time matters. Let's go. Yep, 11:30.
Well, that must be the dump wood chip was talking about.
Yeah, it looks good.
Hold on, I got you muted
Looks-
still.
Looks good. Looks good. Yeah, you got to mute me and actually turn on the volume of the browser.
All right. Yeah, that was too much. I hear you, and then you're echoing, then you echo the echo.
Yeah, you can't do it that way. You got to close one.
Oh. Yeah, if I'm gonna do that, I'm just gonna have to mute you.
Yep. I don't know how you bring in the sound, if it's through Discord or whatever, but
That worked out pretty good though.
yeah, it did. 26,232. Still looking at that level. Let's get through that first level.
That was fun. I was having fun. Guys, good opportunity to remind everybody, if you're having fun, enjoying the stream, please hit the like button. Help tell YouTube that you appreciate the stream. So what's the name of the game?
Prop drop for now.
Prop drop. I like it.
Did you see the girl in the background on the screen? Did you pay?
Yeah.
Did you catch it?
Of course.
Yeah, I like that. I like that background better than the blue one. I found the blue one was a little too busy. Yeah, next week, hopefully, we'll start giving away accounts. It's going to be a grind, though. You got to qualify during the week with the giveaway on Friday. And now I don't have to write down the names. I'll have the 10 winners listed in the top right there. Hey, I contacted, it's doing me dirty. Why is it doing you dirty? You're at 22.45. We're good. Bouncing a little bit off the 235 level, which could be expected. I mean, you know, we bounced there a few
short
times.
or long? Is he short or long?
Short. You can see we bounced off 240, 236.
I mean,
A
we
couple
do have
of
a lot of
times on the
support
limit.
here.
Yeah, it has been a bounce level, but we'll see. What was I going to say? Yeah, I contacted 3 firms yesterday. Did you contact day traders? I did 3. I don't know if you could see. There's the camera. 3.
Thrice?
Thrice. I got
You
replies
also
from 2 of them
thrice?
already.
I always forget who says thrice.
Uh,
I like it. I'm
who
always like,
was
what
it?
the? I'm always like, what the hell's thrice? Then I remember. I'm like, oh yeah, I like that. Thrice.
It's like rice, but when it's uncooked.
Coach Fred said wood chip trailed me out. Coach Fred, was you long? I'd like to be long, but just got to find some support. And
There goes ES. You can see that on the 5-minute chart. Bottom.
Yep. wood chip was right again.
Well, you can't be doing you dirty too much. I mean, depends on what time you got short. But if you got short anytime recently in the last
Wait, wasn't he talking about yellowing?
half an hour, you're good. On
Wood chip,
MYM.
you go all in? Go it on the eval NQ. Well, if you're short 269, you should be doing pretty good.
Hey, Sparks. Yeah, 269 is good. I don't have an ability to get in. I don't have anything. Could be short in gold here, but
I think it's already 1140.
it's already 1140, and the best I was able to do on my eval in Apex is up $32 right now. I'm at my high water mark. Up, down, 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 up, down. Maybe I'll try a little short here if we get a bearish candle. Let's see, I'll go for a 2-lot.
So you are
Sorry, wood
streaming
chip.
afternoon?
I think I'm going to. Oh, you closed it? I was just going to say, sorry, wood chip, I'm going to go short. And since I'm up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and my last one was up, this one's probably going to be a down, a loser. And I'm looking for a short, but I'm waiting for a bearish candle. On the 400 volume chart, just to let you know.
You've been liking that 400, huh?
I do. It gives, I'm not early though. I mean, that triggered the short at, like wood chip, 260 at 1128.
I don't know if I ever looked at the 400.
Well, I do it with the bands also, and it's 400 volume hike in SE. So when we go in the bands, I wait for the hike in SE to turn bearish. We're in the
NQ
bands
or
now.
MNQ?
Oh, always MNQ, never NQ. There. Oh no, didn't get a bearish candle. Almost. We got a doji. Oh, Sparky, you're breaking my balls, man. That's a bearish candle. So I am short at 44.50. Can I get 10 points quickly?
Reminds me a lot of the
34.
Renko chart.
Buy limit. Yeah, ish.
No, I guess not. It's a lot more running
Now
on the
it
volume.
goes. What? Now it goes. We just traded as low as 1138. We were in the 230s. Now we're at 241. I'm hoping it goes. I'm short at 244. I'll sit back. I'll give my cat a cookie because he's going bananas. Yeah, so I didn't hear what you said, Omnius. Yeah, I'll be streaming, I guess. And, well, come on at 1:30, I guess. There you go. Eat and be happy. I'll trade my daytraders.com account. Hopefully I'll have a better day with that. That was a lot. That was like 8. Sparky's very aggressive now for his food. If I don't give him within a certain amount. If it was 3, that's a short. Yeah, well, it was more than 3.
Let's say if you want, we can maybe do 1 to 2 stream. Then I might do just run the FOMC after that from 2.
Yeah, sounds good. Cats are psychic. I hope so. Let's see. I'll add to my trade if I get another bearish candle. Okay, so after this trade, we'll call it. I'm going to go spend a little bit of time with my daughter, have a quick bite to eat, get some fresh air, and I'll come back for 1. We'll play a couple of prop drops in the afternoon also. Be right back. Oh, there we go. There's the bearish candle. It was so quick. It was so quick I couldn't get in. The bearish candle and the drop. Nice. Come on. Come on. I have a target at 34 for 10 points. Fuck you. I'm taking 8.
Coach Fred, gold fighting the trend line. I'm on the daily chart.
Yeah, that's what I got up also on the gold on the daily. I'm kind of happy to see it finally broke a high on the daily. Yesterday's high. Let me put it up on the 5-minute. Well, I hope it holds. I'd like to see gold run again. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for hanging out. I'm going to go take a break for an hour and 15 minutes. And I'll be back at 1 o'clock. Stream with Omnius till 2. And then after that, Omnius, I guess, if I understood correctly, is going to take off. And then and I'll continue streaming till 3 o'clock maybe, or until my wife calls me. Thanks for hanging out. Appreciate it. It was fun. Hope you guys enjoyed today's episode of
chaos.
I was going to say episode of Prop Drop. And we'll play it again tomorrow. Take care, guys.
Later, guys. Appreciate everyone hanging out. See everybody in the afternoon. Later, guys.
Bye.